Welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do a quick update on the Australian ASX200 and S&P500 indices. Now this was the Australian market, the SPY, the last time I did an update on the channel, and I was expecting prices to possibly come down a bit, have a bounce, and then move down to wave 5, basically a three-wave move to lower lows. Now since then, this is what's happened. So prices have basically pushed up higher, and they're in this zone of resistance. Now could they break out higher and continue up? Well, anything's possible, but this price action of this wave 3 low is very choppy and overlapping, and for prices to continue it up, we'd have to see a breakout, fall back and support on this area, and then move higher, because this band of resistance stopped prices on the way down, and then we fell through, and now they're stopping prices on the way back up. Now initially I had this as a wave 4 here, and I've got an or 4 here. Now I guess you could count this in a couple of ways. Either we have an A, B, C, X, A, B, C, or we have a three-way for A, B, C for wave 4. Does it matter which way round it is? I don't really think so. Any way you cut it, it looks corrective. Now I'd probably favor the wave 4 up here, because what we've got off this low is a nice 1, 2, impulsive 3, corrective triangle 4, wave 5. So this last movement does look, it counts very nicely as a 5-wave move, which would be a wave C. This A move up here is very sharp and impulsive, and this C wave is more sideways moving, which is a bit of a classic fit for a C wave. So, you know, until the count's invalidated, I'd leave it as it is. I'd favor this is the wave 4 high, but like I say, it's all corrective, and I'd expect prices to come down to a lower low at the moment, and then we'd probably see a much larger rally, probably back up to this zone of resistance. Alright, moving on to the S&P 500. Now the price action is very similar. We've got this descending triangle, expanding triangle pattern coming down. It's pretty much the same as the Australian market. We've got the ABC rally for wave 4, but the one difference is the American market is weaker. We haven't quite approached this this top trend line, whereas with Australia we've gone slightly above it and broken out. Now we could see slightly higher prices, but at the end of the day, I think, you know, on balance, I think we will see prices falling lower, and that's my current expectation. And again, like the Australian market, anything could happen, but we'd need a breakout above this trend line, a fallback, and it would need to find support before continuing higher, and it certainly hasn't happened at the moment, so I'll keep the current count. Thanks for watching. For more analysis, please visit Elliott Wave ASX.com. We also have an ongoing multi-part video series on WD Gann analysis, so please check out the other videos on our channel and subscribe to get future updates.